Did you know you can attract anything you want out of life just by doing this? Hey everyone, welcome to this video. I am so excited to start this self-care and wellness journey where I take you on and show you my life and the things I do. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm really big on self-care and wellness. And I think a big part of self-care and wellness is reaching your goals, going after what you want and getting it. And one of the best ways to do that is visualizing what you want. And a vision board is the perfect way to do it. So believe it or not, I've always wanted a vision board, and like a lot of us, I just put it off for the longest time and I've never gotten around to it. And this video would be the perfect opportunity to hold me accountable, I think. And also interesting for you guys to see how it's done and how you can do it yourself as well. So to start off, I've just spent a bit of time to find some photos that accurately represent what I want out of the near future. I've chosen photos that represent my goals in the near future, but you can do it for big goals as well. So let's get right onto it. So these are some of the photos that I found, and I would love to see them in my room, being near the ocean and going to Paris, which is one of my goals for this year specifically. So what I'm going to do now is start cutting them up and putting them up in this frame that I found. Oh, this is a frame that I found just on the side of the road, and I just thought to myself, oh, that'd be good as a vision board in my room, because I just don't want it to be a cork board. I want it to be like a framed official kind of thing. So this is the frame that I found. So if you're, lazy like me, you can just pick up anything you have lying around the house that could make for a thing that can go up on your wall. I'll start cutting up now. So I ripped the whole thing apart and I put the picture away that it had inside of it, and I'm going to use this cardboard piece that was in it as well, just to put all the pictures on it. So it's been a while now, and you'll see the changes in the lighting because it's actually nighttime. I've spent so much time organizing all the photos and putting them all together, but I'm really happy with how it looks. Just look at it, it looks so great. And because it's in a frame, it just looks so professional and official. So I'm going to explain what each of the photos mean. So this is my YouTube account that I've put up on here, and I've just edited it into 1,000 followers, which is my goal for this channel. And I've also put my Instagram on here and increase the number of followers because I want to grow my page and make it into something. And just below that you'll see this book which says my name on it, which says my pen name on it by Say, and has the title of my first book that I want to publish. And I want to publish for so long, but I just haven't gotten around to it. I have all the means, I've written all the content, I know how I want it to look like, but I just need to get to it, you know what I mean? So this will hopefully motivate me to do that. And here is a photo of me counting money while looking at the computer, which has some of my favorite songs on it. I've edited the song into it. It's a French song, by the way, and that's why the picture of Paris is here as well, but I'll explain that later. But this is because I want to grow my freelancing business or service that I provide of social media marketing. I want to make it into something big and start being independent with my income that I make through my laptop, on the internet. And that's what will add to all my travel goals as well, because if I'm working online, if I'm working remotely, if I'm working online, I could just work from anywhere. That's why it has this picture of Mood CEO as well, because that's supposed to be my bank balance. That is my bank balance. Like, this is one of the things they tell you about manifesting, is that believe that you already have it, so that you'll eventually have it all in your life as soon as possible. This is also me working on my computer and just writing down something, hopefully my affirmations and my goals. And this quote just says, good things are coming, good things are coming, good things are coming, just repeatedly. And this is a photo of Paris. I just want to go to Paris so bad. It's just a hub for artists, just where art was, flourishing, and it's amazing, and I just want to visit, especially after watching Midnight in Paris. If you haven't watched Midnight in Paris, you are missing out. It's so great. I love it so much. I can watch it anytime. And this just has a girl in a bookstore, which I want to do more of. I want to go to unique places and read more books. So you see how all of these pictures are connected to each other. Like, me working remotely connects to my travel goals, and this photo of this friend song relates to me going to Paris as well. So going down, this is a photo of people hanging around a campfire near the beach, having marshmallows and having and a guitar and everything, and it's just so nice. And this is the time of hangouts I want to have, so it's just so perfect. And this quote says, "As I do what I love, money and abundance flow freely to me." And it has this option of saying yes. It only has the option of saying yes. So that's amazing. And this is just a bunch of girls in the ocean just swimming. So that's the type of adventures I want to have. This picture just has a couple at the top of a hill, after a hike probably, and that's what I want to do as well. And this is a tent near the ocean, which reflects my goal of going camping more near the ocean and seeing more beautiful places around Australia. And the bottom picture, this picture, is just a picture of a Nourish bowl, like healthy food, which I want to do more of. I want to take care of my health, and this is what this picture reflects as well, the hike, so I can have a healthy lifestyle, go on more walks, go on more hikes, eat good food. This picture is also of like a grocery shop, which has all vegetables and fruits in it, and it's all in like sustainable packaging, sustainable shopping bags, and I am an advocate for sustainability as well, so that's what I want to do more. You can actually see that because I just upcycled this frame. Someone was throwing it away, and I just brought it home and made it into a vision board, because I just don't like wasting things, and I just don't like wasting things unnecessarily, you know what I mean? And this picture, this is one of the most interesting pictures and facts you'll know about me, but I want to live in a tiny house. I just took this picture from Into the Wild, I think it's called. It's like this staycation thing you can do, where you can go to like tiny houses in rural areas and just stay there. It's so peaceful. But I really like the way this tiny house looked from inside, and yeah, I want to do that more. But I missed this picture. This is a picture of a van, the van life, with a surfboard near the ocean. So I think how I and the way it relates to my mind is, you know, this interior in this van to go traveling and do all these things. Yeah, but I'm glad I have it all in a vision board right now so I can look at it rather than it just being a mess in my brain. And this picture is a quote that says, "Gratitude changes everything," which is something we all should practice more of. So that's pretty much it. We've had a full circle of the vision board and I'm so in love with it. It looks amazing and I'm glad I did this because now I can just put it up on my wall and look at it every day and make decisions that add to it, you know, add to my life and add to my goals. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and stay tuned for more videos like these. I would really appreciate if you liked this video and subscribed and shared it. I'll see you next time.